Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are fine and enjoying good health and life. Welcome students. Welcome students once again. I am very happy to see you. Are you happy? Okay, first of all, I am wishing you Happy New Year. Happy New Year everyone. Okay students. Are you enjoying New Year or not? It's the second day of New Year. So today's date is 2nd January. What is the date today? 2nd January. And the year is 2024. Yes, 2024. And what is the day? Yes, students, what is the day? The day is Tuesday. Tuesday. What the day? Tuesday. Yes. Okay, students. Now get up everyone and take off your blankets and coat and anything which you wear because it's your science lesson. And as you know that we have a lot of activities, we have a lot of funs in this lesson. So are you get ready? Hurry up, Subhan, Ibrahim, and Ayat. Get up from your beds and be ready. Okay, students. Now today we are going to start new unit. Okay, new unit number 9. Okay, what is unit number 9? Okay, student, this unit is quite different from the previous one. In the previous unit, we have learned about heat and light, luminous objects and non-luminous objects. But now, in this unit, we are going to read about environment. Okay? What do we read about? We read about or we learn about environment. Okay, first of all, I am going to write the name of unit is environment. Okay, students, what is environment? Environment is surrounding in which plant, animals and human live around. Okay. Before starting the toy unit, I am going to ask some. We are going to do, or I am also going to ask you some scientific terms, so you know the meanings of these terms as well. So, start, students. First of all, our topic is vocabulary. Okay, students, do you have dictionaries? Yes, everyone have dictionaries in your bags. So students, take out your dictionaries. Hurry up, because it's a fun time and it's your activity. Hurry up. Have you opened? That's good. Okay, I have my own dictionary in my hand and I also find the meanings or definitions of different terms from here. Have you opened? Yes, Nabiha, Mariam Imran, yes, you have opened. Oh, Roham, have you opened your dictionaries? Ma, okay, well done. Okay, students, now I am going to write some terms up to the board. Firstly, you have to write questions. Define the following terms. Yes, students, we are going to define some difficult terms. I am going to write here some words and you people are supposed to write these terms and find the meanings of these terms as well. Okay? First of all, I am going to write, first one is habitat. What is the first word? Yes, habitat. Okay students, now open your dictionaries, hurry up and find the meaning or find the definition of term habitat. Hurry up. Okay, now who is, if you find, then tell me and raise your hands. Yes, I am also going to find in my, from my own dictionary. Yes, hurry up students. Have you found? Okay, the meaning which I have found from my dictionary is the natural home, the natural home for animals and plants. The natural home for animals and plants. Habitat. Now I am going to revise in Urdu as well. Habitat होता है मस्कन, ठीक है, किसी चीज, किसी जानवर या किसी प्लांट्स के, पौधों के रहने की जगह को जो कुदरती तौर पे है वो उसका हैबिटेट होता है. For example, a monkey lives on a tree or in a jungle. It's its habitat. And a plant which you find in a desert is its habitat. Okay, desert is habitat of that plant. And in the same way, if some birds live in a cage or in a tree, on the trees as well, these are their habitats. Understand the meaning of or the definition of habitat? The natural home for animals and plants is known as habitat. Okay, is called habitat. Okay students, if you find any other meaning of habitat from your dictionary, you can write it as well. Have you write it? Yes, everyone? Well done, very good. Excellent students, super. Please don't put your dictionaries in the bag. You should hold your dictionaries in your hand. Okay? Now I am going to write second word. And the second word is, yes, it's desert. It's desert. Okay students, have you ever watched or have you ever familiar with the name, with this word desert? Yes, anybody? No? No one? Yes, you tell me. Very good. Yes, Alina Numan, you tell me better. Yes, desert is also a habitat. Desert is also a type of habitat, and it is an area, waterless area, and there are some plants, but in many deserts there are no plants and anymore. There is sand, and it is too hot and dry place. Okay, no animals and human being can be survived there for a long time. Okay students, now open your dictionaries and find the meaning of word desert. Yes, have you found it? Okay, the meaning which I have found from my dictionary is an waterless area an empty waterless area of land with few plants. Is called desert. Okay students, do you know the meaning of deserts, and you also find the meaning or definition of deserts from your dictionaries as well. If you find meaning except this, you can write it. Okay. Okay students, if anyone tell me the name of biggest desert in the world. Do you know the name of biggest desert in the world? Yes? Yes, you better you tell me. Yes, Malaika, you tell me. No? Any guesses? Any guesses students? No, it's Sahara Desert and it is in Africa. It's Sahara Desert, okay? And it is the biggest desert in the world. And there is dry place and no water, no plants as well. Okay students? And I have another question from you. Um, which animal is called the sheep of desert? Who tell me? Which animal is called the sheep of desert? Any guesses? Yes, you tell me. You tell me. Dear student, you tell me. Yes, it's a camel. Well done. Clap. Clap for him. Very good. Okay, now moving forward, I am going to write another letter. Moving forward, I am going to write another word, and it is environment. Yes, students, environment. Anyone can find the meaning of environment? Open your dictionaries as I have opened it, or I already opened it. Do you open your dictionaries? Have you opened it or not? Find it, boys, find it. Hurry up, find the meaning of environments. Yes, I also open dictionary and find the meaning of environment. Yes, hurry up. Be fast. Be fast. Okay, students, have you find the meaning of environment? Yes. Who tell me the meaning of environment? Yeah, yes. Ahmad Naeem, you tell me. Ahmad Shahbaz, have you find it? Very good. Superb. Now I'm going to write the meaning of environment. The meaning of or the definition of environment is astounding. Astounding in which plant or animal live. environment. Okay students, now I'm going to raise number 1 and right here number 4. Number 4 is, yes, have you opened your dictionaries? Students, listen to me carefully. Don't put your dictionaries in your bag until the lesson has been complete, okay? You should hold your dictionaries in your hands and find the meaning of another word. Okay students, I am going to write the next word which is very difficult and it is new thing for you. Endangered species. Endangered. Okay. What do you mean by the word endangered species? Endangered means किसी चीज का खतरा होना, और species हम कहते हैं different animals के जो groups होते हैं, ठीक है? जिस तरह हम fish बना रहे, fish, sheep, animals, तो उनकी species होती हैं. तो endangered species वो species होती हैं जो कि मुकम्मल तौर पे जिनकी नस्लों को ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज की वजह से खत्म कर दिया गया है, मतलब वो यहाँ पे मोर नहीं है. फॉर एग्जांपल डायनासोर, एंडस डॉल्फिन etc. Okay, understand? Now I'm going to firstly you find the meaning of it and I'm also going to write the definition of endangered species. Okay students, an endangered species is a group is a group of living things it is a group of living things that is a risk of dying out completely. That is risk of dying out completely. Okay student, have you got it? Do you know the meaning of endangered species as well? Well students, now I repeat it again. Endangered species is a group of living things that is risk of dying out completely. Understand? Now students, close your dictionaries and put them in the bag because these 4 words has been completed and you students are supposed to write these words in your notebooks as well, and you can also write the meanings of your own. Understand? So today we learned about habitat. Number 2 is desert. Number 3 is environment, and number 4 is endangered species. Students, you should do your work neat and clean. Firstly, sharpen your pencils. Write date and day accurately. Second, January. Please mention the year correct as well. Tuesday, 2024. Unit number 9, environment. Okay. And vocabulary which we have done, define the following terms. The firstly habitat which I have removed or which I have erased. Second one is desert. Third one is environment, and number 4 is endangered species. Have you got it? Very good. Now it's your diary. Learn, do practice of vocabulary. And today we also learned that how to use a dictionary. It's a great fun. Do you enjoy lesson or not? I think so. It's an interesting lesson and you enjoy it a lot. Well students,